for Kane. Kane cuts across, up high in the slot there, turns and shoots, scores! Patrick Kane with a shot. It was tipped in front, and it is 2-0 Blackhawks.
We talked amongst ourselves and talked about, let's just go out there and make some plays. Be confident with the puck, and whatever happens, happens. We kind of threw the negative thoughts out after the first 2 periods and went out and played with some confidence, and we saw what we could do.
Third period will start with the Hawks still on the power play. Minute 55 to go.
Right point, Ruda shoots, score! A shorthanded goal!
Off the draw, there's Stamkos scores! Tampa Bay has tied the game! Toe drag, snapshot, and it's 2-2, and it's game on. We are going to overtime. Hedman's going to turn and shoot. Hedman fires, scores! Victor Hedman with a lightning strike in overtime. A buzzer beater.
Oh yeah, right there. 22.